So good evening, my dear brothers and sisters. I welcome you all on a wonderful platform to practice English. And today I would like to start our session with a wonderful news. So can you guess that news? What is the news today?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So there are two good news for me today. First, I got my AdSense PIN, address verification PIN.
Oh,
Congratulations, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Congrats, sir.
Some of you don't know what is this, because if you don't know about the
Yes,
YouTube
sir.
too much, then
Yes, sir.
I know, sir.
You don't know.
okay.
I am there, sir.
AdSense account means YouTube gives money to AdSense, and AdSense transfer money in my account. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Absolutely.
But you, before that, sir, you are getting money, right?
No. This is first
No,
time.
no. After this
Oh.
process.
But it shows your income. They shows your income. Okay, they show your income. This is your income.
Okay.
But now after getting this verification code, address verification, everything is over. Now last I was waiting for this verification code, and today I have got. Then you
Okay.
want to know the
Congratulations,
second
sir.
news. You want to know the second good news then.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Eagerly, sir.
Sir.
Eagerly.
I should not discuss about that, but I have to say because it is both are connected. That's why. So last 2 years, just I paid money for one poor student, 11th and 12th science, and he got his result today, and he got 80% marks.
Wow, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations to him.
Yes,
So I
sir.
thought
Great
that my
work,
money,
sir.
Congratulations.
my money works. My money works.
Congratulations to you and to your students, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, both of you.
Yes,
Both
sir.
of you.
So
Great work.
I donated somewhere, then I got money from YouTube. Actually,
Yes, sir.
YouTube gives me money to donate other people. I think that's why I have connected both news together. Shall we start now? Actually, I was about to share something yesterday, but because of poor network, I could not share anything. And today, this is our second last session of our first season.
Someone is disturbing, sir, from the beginning.
Someone is playing music, sir.
Yeah, Geeta madam, it's coming from you. Yeah, thank you very much for turn off your audio. So now let's start without wasting our time. In the first session, we have to study something new. Then in the second session, we will have a lot of time to have a conversation. And the yesterday whole day we had a conversation. So now you can see on your screen,
Yes, sir.
you look happy. This is our topic today. You look happy. Look plus adjective. Our today's topic is look plus adjective. Can you see here? Look plus adjective.
Yes, sir.
It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Still we didn't write.
So describes appearance. Okay. So today you are looking different in this sari. You are looking more beautiful in this sari. Is it clear? Look plus adjective. So with the help of this topic, we are going to learn some useful adjectives to describe appearance. So you look happy. She looks skinny. Oh, she looks skinny. She needs more food. Skinny is a negative word. Slim is a positive. Oh, you look slim. So someone is appreciating you. Yeah. But you look skinny, that's a negative word. The picture looks weird. Ah, that woman looks weird in this dress. No, that woman looks weird in this dress. His suit looked cool. It is about the past. Her dress looked expensive. Okay, did you see that woman in the red sari? Oh, I think her sari looked expensive. You don't look fat. Oh, last year you met me, you were looking fat. You looked fat, but this time you don't look fat. You look fit. She doesn't look excited. Do I look short? No, no, no. You are not looking tall and short. You are medium. Do I look short? Then does she look too small? Did I look sad? You look tired, okay? You need rest. You look tired today. You look sick. You should contact doctors today. You should contact doctors. You look sick today. Is it clear?
Okay.
And
Yes,
puppy looks cute. Oh, he looks tough. So describe appearance and they look stupid. He looks stupid, they look stupid. So with the help of this topic, you have got so many new adjectives with look to describe appearance. So that's all. Now the ball is in your court. Okay. My turn is over. My work is over. Now start making 3 sentences with look. Describe. Describe. Yes, Yogesh Sharma. Yogesh Mishra, sorry. Mishra, yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening.
Today you are looking awesome. And she is looking gorgeous. And he is looking clumsy. Like that.
Yeah, okay, we can make fun also, Yogesh Mishra. Tell somebody like, okay, you are looking handsome. Okay, don't take it seriously. I'm practicing my English, okay?
Today I have learned about look. Okay, sir.
May I, sir?
Yeah, Super Sri.
Yes. Sir.
Oh, your network is as bad as me yesterday. Yeah, Ashok Maurya.
May I?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Ashok Maurya.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, all. My first sentence is Santa ma'am is looking gorgeous today. Second one is ma'am, please don't call me sir.
Okay.
Prakash sir looks handsome in all his shirts. The building looks tall. Pankaj sir looks confident all the time. Thank you, sir.
Hmm.
Sir,
Also, don't call me sir, yaar.
No.
sir,
Okay, yeah. Okay, please write down your name, then I can invite you. Actually, how can I say F75987E7? How can I call you like that? Please Write down your
Hariom.
name.
Hariom.
But
Sir,
you
my
should
name
write
is
down your name,
Hariom.
Hariom. You should write down your
Okay,
name here. Hariom from UP.
Sir, where?
Don't worry,
Okay, sir. Okay.
okay, Hariom then.
Sir, am I
Sir,
audible
may I?
now?
Anwar,
Hariom,
sir. May I?
UP.
Hariom Chauhan, sir.
Hariom
Yes,
UP,
sir.
it's okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir.
Hariom UP.
Okay, sir.
Now, can you read your name now, Hariom?
Sir, Hariom UP. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Space.
So may I?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Ruchi, madam. So I have to say Ruchi, madam. I always make mistakes.
So after that, may
Okay,
I?
sir, you
Yeah,
are my
Saizad
teacher
Anwar
then.
then. Okay. First Ruchi, madam, then Saizad Anwar, be ready.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you call me Ruchi, you are my teacher, so that it's
No,
okay.
no one is
Ruchi.
teacher here. We all are students.
Actually, Richie ma'am never turn on his video na, so we get confused.
Okay, you should turn on your video today. Okay, we want to know
Sir.
who is Ruchi, madam.
Sir, actually,
Camera
I
is not
don't
working.
like myself on YouTube. That's why I'm not turn on my video.
Okay. Then we will not.
Whenever you know, whenever this meeting is in journal, not uploaded on YouTube, then I can turn on my video.
Okay, that's good then. That's good. No problem. Yeah.
Okay. Sir. You look tired because lots of work. My neighbor looked jealous. He doesn't look happy with his son's result.
That's good. Very
Sir,
good.
may I?
Yeah. Saizad Anwar, this is your turn. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, she looks pretty today. Today I look tired. My mom looks excited today.
So what happened? Your
Sir,
mom
no,
is looking
nothing.
excited.
I'm just
You are
practicing
making
my English.
sentences?
Sir, I'm just practicing my English. That's it, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey,
Next.
sir.
Yeah, Geeta madam.
My first sentence is, you look so beautiful today. She looks very sad. The mother looks so angry.
That's good. Very nice. Very nice. You look confident. You look confident
Thank
every
you,
day.
sir.
Yeah, you look confident every day. Yeah, Nityanand. Let's go to
Yes,
Nityanand.
sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening.
She looks pretty good today. We are looking for a beautiful place, and you are looking so cool today, sir.
Only
Thank you,
today.
sir.
Only today.
No, sir. Always.
Then just answer, sir. I'm making sentence. Don't take it seriously. I'm making a sentence. Okay, don't take it seriously. Okay.
Yes.
I am always same. If you praise me or if you get angry, I am always cool and calm. Okay, that's my nature. This is my tendency. Sometimes my colleagues also gets angry with me. Why do you look cool all the time? People think that you are stupid. Then you have to respond. Some people. Yeah.
Now and then we have to show some angry, sir. Otherwise, they will think other things.
Yeah.
They will take you as granted.
Actually, we can control our angry because it's not our some physical pressure like toilet type. It's we cannot handle toilet, but we can control our angry.
Okay, so whenever my friends come to my house and they always tell to my wife, you don't need to get angry. Why? Then he never gets angry. Then why do you need to get angry? Okay, can you understand or not?
Yes, sir. It's interesting.
Yes, sir.
Okay, some people are unmarried. That's why they don't know. They can't catch this point. Only married people can understand.
Understand.
No, sir. We
Yes,
can
sir.
understand, sir.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay. So Subhasri, would you like to make sentences? We could not hear you.
No, no.
Yeah, still you have a problem. Okay. So now let's go to Kalpana madam. Yeah, Kalpana madam, make some sentences.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening to all of you. My first sentence. She is looking fair in this dark colored dress. He looks dog tired today. They looked enthusiastic to play cricket on the ground. That's it, sir.
Okay, that's all. And I don't want to go to everybody because yesterday we missed some topics and I want to cover. So can we start a new
Sir, can I-
topic, and that is more important?
can
Yes,
I-
Santa madam. Yeah, Santa madam.
Okay.
Okay. Today we are learning look plus adjective. Generally, generally adjectives describe the nouns. So adjectives are describing words. So here we are using with look. My sentences are: the tiger looks furious. The Himalayas looks beautiful. The road doesn't looks end. Next one, he looks dangerous. That's all, sir.
That's all. So let's learn relationship today.
Yes, sir.
I think we started relationship, but still we have not completed this topic. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
Section
sir.
A and B both are over, and today we are going to learn liking and not liking someone. Like. So core verb, it's the main verb, like. Very simple, everybody. I like teaching English. But positive and more stronger than that. I love teaching, I adore teaching, and I idolize teaching English. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Can't see properly, so let me, yeah. Now can you see?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Now
Yes,
can you
sir.
see, I think? Yes? Now it's bigger?
Yes, sir.
Bigger than before.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So like, core verb, love, adore, and idolize. So stronger way of showing your liking. I love teaching, or I love making presentation. I adore making presentation, and I idolize. I love my parents. I adore my parents. I idolize my parents. That's all. And negative, I dislike, or I dislike. I can't stand, or I loathe. Loathe.
Once
I
you learn
loathe
that,
those people because they always speak lies. I loathe those people. I can't stand those people because their behavior is not good. I dislike those people. So dislike, can't stand, and loathe. You hate means you hate too much. That is called loathe. It's clear? Loathe, loathe. So now can you make some sentences by using like, love, adore, idolize? You can see some sentence here. She doesn't just like Ben. She idolizes him. I can't stand him. Yeah. So try.
Sir,
Yeah. Who is ready?
sir. Hariom.
Yeah, Hariom, UP.
I love my country very much. I like playing cricket.
Hmm.
I love reading good books. I also love playing cricket and
So use
walking in the morning.
like and love, both are common words. Adore, idolize, use new vocabulary when you speak. Yeah. So now let's go to, yeah.
Sir, adore is like admire or different from admire?
Okay. When you admire, when you like something, I adore, I like too much, I love too much, I idolize something. Adorable, we use adorable, we say, you want to say like that.
I think we can't live without them when we use adore.
Yeah. So too much love. I adore.
Yes, yes, too much.
Hmm.
I adore my son, I adore my husband, like that.
Yeah, yes. Nageshwar, Mr. Nageshwar.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I don't like the people who are loud because they are not stand their words. Is it correct, sir?
Yeah.
Loud, loud. Yeah. Uh, I adore my family.
Yes.
Okay, sir?
Yes,
Yeah,
Yeah. Because
perfect.
too much, when we to have too much affection,
Hmm.
we say, yeah.
That's good.
Okay.
Wonderful. Yeah. Yogesh Mishra is also excited to make a sentence. Yes.
Yes, sir. First one, like being a responsible mother, you could not adore your son. You should be strict. And I
Hmm.
like joining this session, and I loathe irresponsible person. That's it.
Okay. So you like this session, you don't love this session. Okay. I like it. So like.
Oh, no,
Okay, I'm
no,
making fun. Okay, don't take it seriously. I'm making fun today because today we don't have any serious topics. We have very simple topic, and just I want to make little bit fun today. Yeah, Pankaj Udaipur.
Learn with fun, sir.
Okay. Good evening, sir. Good evening to all. Uh, today's session look funny. I adore my country, Bharat, and I loathe Chinese government.
I loathe Chinese government and I loathe Chinese government. Very nice. Okay, it's actually great sentence. He does not tell us he loathe Chinese people. That's a great thing. All Chinese people are not bad. He's telling that
Yeah, that's
he
it, sir.
loathe Chinese government. Yes.
Yes, because I loathe the Chinese government and their rules actually.
Hmm.
That's it. Because all people are not bad there in China particular.
That's good. Next one is respect, look up, or to admire. Okay, so respect, then too much respect, then you can say I look up to, I admire. Then negative, look down on, look up to, look down on, and despise. Despise. So you don't respect somebody, then you can say I despise him. These are
Sir,
enough.
what is the free idolize him?
Yeah.
What that means, sir?
Which one?
The first sentence, sir.
Yeah.
She does not
just
just
like
like.
that. Okay, like is a simple.
Yes.
I told the Yogesh Mishra like that. No, I like this program. Then I just made a fun. You don't love means don't
Yes,
too
sir.
much love. Then you know I don't only love it like okay. It is more than that. You are not my friend only. You are something more. Now can you understand? So she doesn't just like man. She idolizes him.
Okay. Yes, I understand. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's all. Next one is, yeah, this is more important. That's why let's spend our little bit time with here. Phrases and idioms for relationships and dating. Lily and I
Yes, sir,
get
may I?
on well. Okay, let me finish part for phrases and idioms.
Yes, sir.
Phrases and idioms for relationships and dating. Lily and I get on well. Means with each other, means have good relationship. Lily and I get on well. Get on well means get on well with each other, means they both have a good relationship or we both have a good relationship. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So be careful, okay? You have to make some sentences after that. Lily and I. Jack and Amelia don't see eye to eye. Then what's the meaning of eye to eye? Often argue, disagree. Jack and Amelia don't see eye to eye. You know, in our groups also, some people have problem. In our society also, some people have some problem. So you can say they don't talk with each other. They don't see eye to eye means they often argue, they disagree. I have fallen out with my parents again. Had argument. I have fallen out. Okay. Fall out with means have arguments all time. Carl is having an affair with his boss. So affair means a sexual relationship, usual secret. So Monica Lewinsky had an affair with Clinton, Bill Clinton. Then somebody revealed their secret. Then whole world know about their affair. Let's try and make it up. Be friends again after row and quarrel. So let's try and make it up. So China is telling us like that. Let's try and make it up.
No, sir.
No? He's dating a Spanish girl. They have been seeing each other for a couple of months, meeting and spending time together. He is dating a Spanish girl. They have been seeing each other for a couple of months, means meeting, seeing each other means see each other means meeting and spending time together. So we are learning phrases and idioms, okay, today for relationships and dating. They met at a party and got together soon after. Means started a romantic relationship. Got or get together. They met at a party and got together soon after. So people make friends. It's often difficult to make new friends when you move to another city, make friends. And I really like to make new friends. I always make few friends, but good friends.
Yes.
Over. So you can also take a screenshot. You can save your time.
Yes, sir. I did.
Over.
Over.
Okay, so try to use technology. Take a screenshot. It saves your time. It's a faster and better. Then you can practice at home. Okay. That's all. iPhone is. So tomorrow you can make sentences, okay? Because it takes some time to understand these all idioms and phrases. So try to make sentences at home tomorrow. That's all. Is it clear?
Clear,
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because idioms and phrases are not easy to understand. You need some time to make some sentences. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So what is my next plan? Yeah, we have 6 minutes left in this session. And in the second session, we have a conversation. So let's use our 6 minutes now. Tomorrow is the last day in first season. Then after 15 days, after having a break, we will be back again on this platform. But these 15 days, we can also talk how. Then we can also make a one-to-one conversation for 10 minutes. I have shared my personal ID and password. So with this ID and password, you can connect with me anytime. But don't, okay, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 7 to 8, and yeah, no, 7:30 to 9 and 9 to 11, I am always busy with my personal class. So morning
Excuse
time,
me, sir.
yeah, morning time I'm free, so we can arrange one-to-one conversation.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can I get your personal ID and password, because sir, it is my today itself, and I don't have any idea about it.
So this is my personal ID and the password, means this is my Zoom personal ID and password, whatever I have shared with you. And I always
Okay,
use
sir.
this for my personal classes. So I don't, okay. It takes too much time to generate new IDs and password to send you every day. It takes one hour for me to send every day. And now I have got some good people. With those people I can continue practice. Okay, so now
Yes, sir.
second
Yes, sir.
session we will invite only few new people and we will practice together. That's all.
Sir, which
Yes, sir.
time we will call you?
Okay, in the
At
morning
this time?
yeah, 9 to 11.
Okay.
9 to 11,
9 to
I am
11.
free in the morning.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So you should send me a message or email also. We are also planning to make our WhatsApp group, okay, very soon. Monday,
Oh, it
Tuesday,
would
we
be
will make
better,
our,
sir. Please let us know.
so whenever you send me your email now, so send me your email with your phone number.
Okay, sir.
And Mr.
Okay,
Pankaj
sir.
Udaipur will make a nice group on WhatsApp.
Thank you, sir.
Is it clear?
Sure, sir.
Sure, sure.
So I will,
Sure, sir.
yeah. So you can also send an email to Pankaj Udaipur directly, or he can share his number with you, so he can directly, you can call him.
Pankaj's email ID.
Pankaj, sir, could you
Or
please send
directly he can share his
us
phone
your email
number
ID?
then with you. He can share his phone number with you on the chat, in chat. Then you can send your name and number. Means when you send a message, then your number will, he will get your number also. So Mr. Pankaj, can you
Yes,
share
sir.
your phone number on this?
Only 3 minutes left, sir. Pankaj, sir.
Yeah. In chat, okay. Don't try to speak your number. In the chatting, you can
Yeah,
use it. Otherwise, all viewers know this number, then they will disturb you.
Yes, sir.
yeah, they will get on YouTube, sir.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah. So please, fast.
Pankaj, sir, hurry up. 2 minutes left.
3 minutes.
Okay,
Yeah, don't tell a lie.
It's 9:36.
Only
That's why
30
I'm asking.
seconds will take for phone.
It's okay.
Otherwise, next session.
Yeah, we have a next session after a break.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we will have a fun. We will have a conversation. Actually, we are also making a plan for after 15 days what we are going to do.
Yes, sir.
We have a conversation also.
Okay. We are excited for our next session also.
Thank you, Pankaj, sir,
You're welcome.
for sharing
sir.
your
Shared my
mobile number.
number and mail ID, right?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
So it's clear? Have you got your?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, sir, I want to say something. May I?
Yeah, definitely.
If anyone does not want to join us on WhatsApp group, then please don't say. I think don't ping me hi, or then if anyone want to join, then ping me hi. That's it, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, it is
On
not
WhatsApp.
compulsory. It is not compulsory.
Yeah.
Actually,
That's I want to say.
Geeta madam requested this all thing. And that's why we started thinking about that, and we are doing this whole thing.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, actually, it is very good because when we know someone, then we can't speak in English, and we all are learning speaking English. That's why it is very easy to us.
Okay. So that's all, and we have 1 minute less. Anybody wants to say in 1 minute? You can share your ideas. Then in the second session, we have so many new.
May I, sir?
Yeah, Ilarani.
So thank you, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, all. My first sentence is I admire Prakash, sir. Is it right, sir?
Yeah.
And I loathe her because she is a backbiter. Contact.
Contact, my students contact means the girls, okay? I'm not talking about gents.
Yeah. Yes, sure, sir. But where they do live?
They live in Wisconsin also, they live in Chicago, then
Okay.
New Jersey.
New Jersey is too far, sir. But
Okay.
Chicago is just 2 hours.
But most of people live in Wisconsin, okay?
Okay.